All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Gadget D. And in today's video, I just have a simple accessory for transporting your keyboard safely. As usual, I will have this product linked in the description so you can check it out. As you can see, I've already tried to open it and see how it looks, but I just put it back in so we can do the unboxing experience. It says it's up to 18 inches. I will be definitely testing it out with a full-size keyboard and see how well it fits. Okay, you guys, so you get a little card with the company's information. So this case is actually by Case Star, and on the other side it's just a little welcome information and pretty much a thank you for purchasing their product. So that's always nice when companies include this in their product packaging. So that's pretty much all that comes inside with the case. But you get a little tag here. Not sure really that really says, but yeah. So you get a zipper on the front. And inside, it's like a very nice felt material, I think. And you just can put your cables and accessories in here, any flash drives, whatever you have that you need to include inside. So this is where your keyboard is going to slide in. And you just have it Velcro to keep it closed. So you get your Velcro for closing, and then same thing, it's just a nice like felt material. It's definitely soft. It's very nice. So that's good. You definitely don't want anything to damage your keyboard as you're sliding it in. So that's gonna be great material for using. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get a good shot. That's how, I know it's not a good idea of how deep it goes, but like I said before, it's up to 18 inches. That's pretty much it. Right now, we're just gonna go ahead and slide in the keyboard and see how long and if a full size keyboard can fit in. Okay, you guys, so once I open everything up, I cleaned it out just a little bit. I would advise you, if you have any dust or any lint that's on the inside of the case, I would clean it out so it won't get stuck inside your keyboard or, you know, in between your switches. By the way, I am carrying a Keychron K1 mechanical keyboard in this one. So this is a full size one, as you will be able to tell. But let's go ahead and open it and see how it looks. So this is a 104 key full standard layout, ANSI layout on this keyboard. And like I said, this is the Keychron K1 low profile mechanical keyboard. I love this keyboard. It's very nice. So be sure to check out that video. I would definitely have that in the description as well. It's not fully inserted into this part, so let me just give you an idea what I'm talking about. So the keyboard stops right here, leaving half of the number pad exposed. I wouldn't say, you know, fully inserted, but it's okay. It still has this flap to protect it. On the sides, you're gonna have your keyboard showing right here. So let me just give you a closer look of that. So yeah, your keyboard is gonna be exposed, and that's gonna be on both sides. It's gonna be in my book bag, so that's not a big deal, but that's just something for you to consider. One more thing I want you to note, Velcro is going to be exposed, leaving for lint and anything else that can attract and stick on this Velcro. Now that's, I guess you can say that's a con. I don't like when things do that, leaving for it to get kind of dirty. But I mean, once again, it's going to be in my backpack. So not a big deal, just something for you to note. But other than that, yeah, I like it. It's nice quality. It's not 100% premium. By the way, this product is $18, I believe. But of course, I would have that, all the information you'll see with that link that I'll put down in that description. We also have a smaller version for your 60% keyboards, or I believe from 60 to 75%. And I believe they go up to 13 inches. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Other than that, let me know if this was very helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, make sure you're subscribing, liking. If you dislike, that's definitely okay. Also, leave a comment. If you have any other recommendations for that, that'll be good. I'm looking for other cases as well. Also, share this video if you know someone that's looking for a affordable case for their keyboards. I know keyboards are very, very, very expensive, so you want to make sure you protect them. But other than that, thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.